Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Iko-correct ko lamang yung date, 14. That's Holy Monday, ang performance, at saka Black Saturday, that is 19. Now, we have an exhibit from the 14th, that will be the opening, hanggang diretso yon hanggang 19. Ano po? But the performance sa ano lang, sa Monday, that's Holy Monday, April 14, and Black Saturday, April 19. Meron mo kaming mga excerpts na gagawin, like we're going to have another set of exhibit at Chapel 2 in Clark. Ito yung isang set ng exhibit namin, around 5:30 Palm Sunday, so that is April 13. And then another excerpt doon sa Salubong will be presented madaling araw ng Sunday sa Sapang Bato, sa church. Okay? So, yan po yung mga schedule as of this time. Now, Panata at Panalangin was conceptualized because of flagellation dito sa atin na napaka-popular, ano? Before, hindi kasi ako naniniwala dito sa flagellation na nakikita ko. But I started getting pictures from the flagellants. Kasi maliit pa ako, nakikita ko na sila. No? And then, but after taking pictures and then palagi bang parang there's mystery behind the cover. And every time na makakuha ako ng picture, tinatanong ko, ano kaya? And then I started interviewing them. And siguro mga sa na-interview ko na 90%, I was impressed at natouch ako dahil lahat sila, meron silang hinihingi about their mother, about sa anak. May mga panata sila sa mga kapatid, sa mga may sakit. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, who will question the faith of this person? Maaaring may ilan-ilan na palabas lamang, no? Pero gaano sa pakiramdam ko, marami pa rin yung totoo. And so from there, that was many years ago, and I started collecting paraphernalia from them. That is one of the reason na medyo pagka-controversial yung mga exhibit namin, because my exhibit are all human blood coming from the flagellants, you know. And we interpreted this contemporary art or collage, you know, mixed media as our interpretations doon sa Stations of the Cross, which speaks of the social issues, the political issues, the environmental issues. And we're going to have a new set and we're going to present them sa Marquee Mall. And then ito rin yung sayaw, kasi noon nabuo namin paunti-unti lang. I started with the flagellation, ano. But ito yung sayaw na nagbigay ng door sa amin, ano. Because after the performance, we were able to get invitations. Our choreography was presented in Sining Gising in Channel 4, in Concert at the Park, in Meralco Theater, and then on the different provinces. As our last presentation was in Bohol. We had an outreach program there para doon sa mga nasalanta, and we were also requested to represent the country in the Kingdom of Cambodia because of this dance. This time, okay, since last year, we were able to complete it, but marami pa rin kulang. And every year, we're trying to work on them. Now, the difference siguro with the other presentation, binabase namin ang mga performances or the choreography based on the traditional practices that we have. Like this time we're going to begin with the Ash Wednesday, and then the Palm Sunday, the Passion in Bed, hanggang doon sa Salubong movements, all movements. And then we have the traditional Passion also. And then our characters kung anong hitsura ng mga flagellants. So sila yung mga nandoon. Plus of course, like if we have PASO, ng Bacolor, it's integrated there. Kung ano yung nakikita ko sa salubong, gagawin namin. Kung ano yung nakikita namin, pag Holy Week, in one package, in one choreography, we have them dito sa presentation. So this is a world premiere na inaano namin na paunti-unti sana mabuo siya at maging magkaroon ng identity that here in Pampanga, here in Angeles, we have this presentation aside of course doon sa napakarami at ng mga napakagandang mga presentation, no? But so you are all invited. You see the presentation, and we are open to suggestions. We are open to your comments para mas lalo pang gumanda yung aming presentation.